Bar and welcome to my beauty pantry, where it's all about positive aging and keeping it real. Today's video will be a demonstration of how I use my Feipushi microcurrent device on my jaw, jowls and cheeks. This is part 2 of a series of 3 videos. If you haven't already had a look at my full Feipushi routine video, then I highly recommend you do, because in the beginning of that video I do explain in a little bit of detail why I am doing the movements that I do for my routine. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm going to spritz my face again with some mineral water and apply my gel. Now this time I'm just concentrating on my jowls, jaws and cheeks and around the mouth. Once again, turn your Feipushi on. And this is where I've sort of changed my technique. So I work up and I'll do 3 passes. So I'm going from under the neck and up. And then I grab my cheeks and I hold them, pushing upwards. And I usually give these 5, so I'm going to give these 5 beeps today. And again. Go back down to 3 bips here. And then I turn my Feipushi and I go this way for 1 bip and then hold for 1 bip. And hold for 1. And hold. And then this way. And hold. And hold. I've forgotten, I've lost count. I'll give it 1 more. And here, and hold. So each beat is 5 seconds. So with these movements, it's a total of 10. And then lift up like this. And here. and then I turn them around and I go this way. So I'm working that current in all directions. I don't hold though, I just go for the one bit. And hold like this. And here. Okay, so that turns itself off after 5 minutes, so I've worked each side for 5 minutes. If you've only got one Feipushi, of course it's going to take you 10 minutes. You can make it longer if you like. I haven't done around the mouth, so I'm going to do that quickly now. You really only need the one Feipushi for that, and you just go around. A bit of a massage, and that is pretty much what I do. You can also add to that before I move on by grabbing, if you've got two Feipushi, just grabbing your cheeks like this. And then on the other side. And then if you really want, for one last little bit of workout, sculpt those cheeks. And that's it. It's my own personalised routine to suit my needs. I hope that you have gotten something out of this and you can adapt some or all of the routine to suit yourself. There is a Feipushi Facebook group and I'll link that also. If you'd like to join us, we'd love to see you there. Well, that's it for today's video, and thank you for joining me again. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to have you follow my journey. Until next time, take care. Bye for now.